Hello there, my name is nwaezeedavid, and in this video I will be sharing with you some of the best hosting companies you can use for your website. Now I'm sure there are so many web hosting providers online promising you this and that. However, you need to ask yourself, what makes a good host, or rather what makes a great host? Now before I start sharing the list of the best web hosting companies out there, I would like to highlight 5 things you need to consider before choosing a web hosting company for your website. Number 1 thing you need to consider is the speed. Now, fast loading websites keeps your visitors happy and also improves your SEO. So you need to choose a host with fast servers and also good reputation for speed. Check if they offer SSD storage and also content delivery network, also known as CDN. Now, the second feature you need to consider is their uptime guarantee. Uptime refers to how often your site stays online. This means that your website remains accessible almost all the time, thereby minimizing potential loss in traffic and revenue. So you need to make sure that the hosting has at least a 99.9% uptime guarantee or even better. Now, the number 3 feature you need to consider is security. Your website needs protection from hackers all the time, so make sure that your host offers SSL, firewall, malware detection, backups. If they don't offer any of these, then you need to run the other way. Okay. Now, the number 4 feature you need to consider is the support system. You see, problems do happen, and it can happen anytime. You need a good support system in times of emergency. So this is very important. A good host offers 24/7 support system via chat, phone, or even email. This is very, very important, guys. Very, very important. Number 5 feature you need to consider is the scalability. Now, as your website grows, you will need more resources to keep running smoothly. So you need to make sure that you choose a web hosting company that provides that makes upgrading easy for you. You can either upgrade from shared hosting to VPS, dedicated server easily without any issue. This flexibility allows you to expand your resources as your website traffic increases without experiencing performance bottlenecks. Now, as a website owner or a potential website owner, you need to make sure that these 5 things I mentioned right now is covered by the hosting provider you are using right now. If it's not provided, then I will advise you to switch to another hosting company, okay, for your own good. Now, all right, so here are my list of the best hosting companies you can work with. I will leave a link in the description of this video where you can get discounts from each of the mentioned web hosts. All right, so the first on my list is Hostinger. Now, this web host has grown to become the go-to hosting service for most startups. They have web hosting plans for everyone, including WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, even dedicated server, etc. Also, they check all the boxes that I've mentioned earlier, so you can go ahead and try them. The next on my list is WP Engine. Now, when it comes to WordPress hosting, this web hosting company is leading with so many robust features that are irresistible. The only challenge with WP Engine is the pricing. I believe they have one of the most expensive pricing plan compared to other hosting out there. However, if you want a WordPress site that can handle huge traffic, then this is the best host for you. Another one on my list is Bluehost. Now, Bluehost is one of the best hosting companies out there for WordPress users. You can't go wrong with Bluehost actually, as long as you're building a WordPress site. The next on my list is Nwaeze. This is another host that has proven to handle huge traffic spikes on your websites, just like the WP Engine. The only difference is that they are less expensive. They also check all the boxes that I mentioned earlier, so you can work with them if you want. Now, next on my list is Cloudways. If you're looking for a cloud hosting service, then this is the best option for you. They offer a robust service for web developers, as it allows PHP developers to deploy containerized application and other advanced features. Now, next on my list is HostGator. This is a well-known host provider anyway. They're based in hosting with over 9 million websites, so you can try them out. Next on my list is A2 Hosting. This hosting provider has made a name for itself when it comes to speed. Now, they have these turbo servers that gives user up to 20 times speed page load time, which is good for SEO and also user experience. So at least you can try them out. Now, the last on my list today is Kingstar. This web hosting is primarily focused on WordPress developers or users. They can be a little bit pricey, yes, but you can try them out and see if it's great fit for you. Now, that's it for now. Like I said earlier, the link to the full list is in the description of this video, so go ahead and read through the list, make a choice for your next website. Remember that you get a huge discount when you sign up through the link in the list that I provided in the description of this video. So as time goes on, I'll keep testing more web hosting providers and keep you updated. So let me know in the comment section on which one of these providers is your favorite, and also why it is your favorite. So if you found this video helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the section if you have a question, and also share this with your friends, and I will see you in the next video.